We're learning to play Persian Holiday from the Grade 2 Trinity syllabus. We're going to look at the middle section of this piece. You should already have mastered the first 8 bars hands together. And once you've got that, you're ready to look at the middle section, which is going from the end of the second line, which is bar 9. Now, unusually, I'm going to take quite a big chunk, because I'm going to go all the way from bar 9 up to bar 16, but I'm just going to look at the left-hand part, because although the melody is in the right-hand part, the left hand has got a nice chunky rhythmic bit here, which is quite easy to learn and leads into the section and underpins what the right hand plays. So anyway, I'll stop chatting about it and show you what happens. So we're on bar 9. Can you see it looks complicated because you've got a flat and a flat, and everyone tends to go, oh no, lots of flats. But all it is the bottom note is G, so that would be G, and then there's a missed line, then the next line, so that would be a D. So without the flats, it'd be G and D. But with the flats, everything moves down to make G flat and D flat. And can you see you play a chord, then a rest, then a chord, then a rest. Then going to bar 10, everything has moved down a semitone. So remember, a semitone is a very small, the smallest step we have in Western music, which will be that. You do 3 of them. So I'll show you again. So it goes, I'll do a click for the rest. So it goes rest, rest, and down. Now for the next bit, look at bar 11. Can you see the thumb note stays the same, the top note, but the bottom note moves down 1, almost out of the camera there. So whereas we had a 5th before, we've now got a 6th, but the top note's staying the same. And again, we've got rest. So it goes rest, rest, then return your little finger without the thumb changing. Okay, so I'll show you that whole little bit again from bar 9. So G flat and a D flat. It goes rest, down a semitone, little finger down, rest, little finger back. Now the next bit, we go around again, rest, rest, down a semitone. Now I'm going to pause. Now I've got my thumb on C, little finger on F. I'm not going to stretch down. We're now on bar 15, and can you see we walk down from the top note, then down 1, but it's got a flat, so instead of B it's B flat, and then instead of A it's an A flat, and then it is an ordinary G, and then an F, rest, and then back to the top. So we've got this. Rest, thumb, okay, and it's staccato. Rest, and can you see the long crescendo opening up there? So we're already loud, we're already at forte, so that'll be, but then we're going to get louder, because the next section is going to be fortissimo FF. Right, I'll show you that all once more, and that's it for this one. Make sure you can do all of this left hand without barely needing to think about it before we look at the right hand, which will be the next video. So one more, so G flat and it's forte. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, down a semitone, little finger down, rest, little finger back, up a semitone, down a semitone, then from your thumb, flat, flat, white, white, thumb, and that's it. So lots of work on that, and then it's time to look at the next video where we'll look at the right hand phrases that drop over that.